This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Earl Grey macarons. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, ensuring everything is measured precisely. This includes 100 grams of almond flour, 100 grams of confectioner's sugar, and about 2 grams of fine Earl Grey tea. Having your mise en place ready is crucial for a smooth process, so let's get organized before we dive into the exciting world of macaron making. Achieving those perfect macaron shells is all about precision and technique. First, thoroughly sift your dry ingredients to avoid any lumps. Next, whip your egg whites to stiff, glossy peaks, gradually adding granulated sugar. The macaronage step is vital. Gently fold the meringue into the dry mixture until it flows like lava. Finally, pipe consistent 1.5-inch circles onto your baking sheet, then let them rest for 30 to 60 minutes. Now for the star of our filling, the Earl Grey buttercream. Begin by gently infusing about 100 milliliters of heavy cream with 5 grams of Earl Grey tea leaves over low heat. Let it steep, then cool completely. While that cools, prepare a silky Swiss meringue buttercream. Once both are ready, slowly incorporate the strained, tea-infused cream into your buttercream, whisking until it's beautifully smooth and bursting with that lovely Earl Grey aroma. The moment has arrived to assemble our beautiful Earl Grey macarons. Carefully match up shells of similar size to ensure a neat presentation. Then, pipe a generous dollop, about 1 tablespoon, of your delicious Earl Grey buttercream onto the flat side of one shell. Gently place another shell on top, twisting slightly to secure. For the best flavor and texture, refrigerate your finished macarons for at least 24 hours before indulging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.